Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable spec selection on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on spoken content, just click on it. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to spec selection here, click in this side. Like you see color, it's gone, that means spec selection disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.